Welcome to Kemal Precision Mold Company, Ltd. Kemal has over 30 years of experience providing one-stop solutions in mold design, manufacturing, and injection molding for global clients. Kemal holds multiple ISO certifications, ensuring consistent quality and controlled processes across all operations. Kemal offering plastic and metal part solutions for various industries, including medical devices, automotive parts, double injection, household appliances, gears, optical lenses, and connectors, and more. Our 30-plus years of engineering expertise delivers tailored DFM, mold flow analysis, and mold design. Through regular reviews and technical collaboration, we optimize designs for improved manufacturability and cost efficiency. Our in-house mold production is built on over 20 high-speed CNC machines from Fanuc, Dali, Taiken, and BF, ensuring precise components with consistent quality. Automated robotic arms enable semi- to fully automated operation, supporting continuous, unattended production and reliable output across shifts. Our wire EDM workshop features 10 Sodic and Makino machines, achieving tolerances within 0.002 millimeters to produce highly intricate mold components with exceptional accuracy and consistency. Our EDM center operates 12 advanced machines, including high-precision Makino and Sodic models along with dual-head HSBK systems, enabling us to produce complex mold components with consistent accuracy and superior surface finishing. Quality control runs throughout our process, with 5 CMMs measuring tolerances of 0.001 to 0.002 millimeters. 3 for EDM electrodes, 2 for mold cores, along with 2 optical systems and a projector. We ensure full verification of plastic parts. In our mold assembly and polishing departments, each mold is carefully fitted, adjusted, and finished to ensure smooth operation and long-term production stability. We design and manufacture precision molds for medical, automotive, and multi-cavity applications, each customized to client needs. Our goal is simple: to deliver molds that run stably, consistently, and reliably in high-volume production. Our injection molding facility runs 75 machines, 80 to 1,300 tons, from trusted brands like Haitian, Tai Rue, and Fanuc. Operating on a 2-shift system, we ensure high-volume, stable production. Each machine is automated with robots and monitored by dedicated quality and packing staff, guaranteeing consistent part quality and controlled packaging before shipment. We operate a Class 100,000 cleanroom for medical and electronic injection molding, ensuring clean, stable, and compliant production. Injection molded parts are inspected via CMMs, 2.5D systems, and optical projectors to prevent deviation and ensure batch consistency. For complex components, custom fixtures guarantee repeatable accuracy, with critical dimensions held within plus or minus 0.03 millimeters. After molding, we support a full range of secondary operations, including electroplating, painting, laser marking, pad printing, hot transfer printing, heat staking, laser engraving, and ultrasonic welding. This allows functional and cosmetic requirements to be completed under one controlled process. Beyond mold manufacturing and injection molding, we provide low-volume prototyping and validation to verify design, fit, and function. Our services, including 3D printing, 5-axis metal machining, and CNC plastic machining, reduce development risk and shorten time to mass production. With 30 years of experience, Kemal has served over 500 clients globally, committed to excellence and lasting partnerships. We provide reliable worldwide shipping via road, sea, and air transport. Contact Kemal today to take your brilliant designs to life.